going on, you guys? How are y'all doing? Hopefully you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another video, and before we get started, your boy's done a little upgrade. If you guys have not been following me on Instagram, you guys would have not seen my post that I finally upgraded big time. Not only did I upgrade my camera, but I upgraded my audio to a new microphone. So just to show you guys another POV that your boy's leveling up. So today's video is gonna be with a super dope M2. The owner's on his way right now, so we're gonna wait for him to show up. All right, you guys, so we got Ivan here, who is the owner of this beautiful M2. Go ahead, check this out. This thing is so gorgeous. If you guys wanna check him out on Instagram, his Instagram is Sonic_F87. Look at the color of this. This is so gorgeous. And he's got the halo headlights as well. That is so sick. Carbon front lip, man. That is gorgeous.
This is a 2019 M2 competition, and it's a Long Beach blue. You can see it's a really nice color. But yeah, that's pretty much 2 years now.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. And you were telling me off camera that you had a Civic before this, and
yes,
you upgraded to this, and you like it a lot more than you thought you would.
Yeah, I don't expect them to like it as much, because I mean, my other car, my Civic, it was really nice. 10 gen Civic Si 1.5 liters. Okay. With pushing 320 horsepower, like a small engine. It was really cool, like fully upgraded, turbocharged, charged by intercooler. I changed the new transmission and also the new clutch. So it was really nice. But yeah, I love it so far.
That's good.
It's been good to me.
That's good. How much power are you making on this?
Last time we put it on the dyno. By the way, it was tuned by Wally. Okay. He said it was like 550.
Okay, that's not bad.
Yeah.
So it's got some
like
giddy
20,
up.
yeah, it's getting some horses. Yeah.
That's sick. That's cool. What do you got done to it, performance-wise?
The performance is full butts on. When I first got the car, it would already come up with a bunch of mods, inventory, intakes, RK, charge pipes. But like I said, when I got the car, I was having like a leak with the boost. So I didn't know what it was, and I just try to like look in here and there, and all of a sudden one of the pipes in here from the intake was cracked. So unfortunately I saw one of the Facebook market, they were selling it, so I get in the other one, so I just swap it and everything was back to normal. The only thing I've been doing is the tune, the intake, that part, DRL lights.
All right, and as you guys can also see, he is on some super sick rims. Talk about your wheels, man. What brand are they?
Those are the Race GO25s, 19 inches, 19 by 9 in the front, 19 by 10 on the back. On the Michelin, the 255/35s. Sweet. Yeah, they have a good grip. That's good. So it's a good tire. And it's sitting on KW suspension. Sweet. Yeah, and also the front suspension, it has a lift, and you will hear it start getting. You can see that right there.
Oh, whoa!
Lower more, but I think that setup right there is perfect for me. It's not too low, it's not too high. Right. And yeah, it's pretty cool.
And it's still got some pretty decent wheel gap with it up. It's not way too high, so that's nice. And the car comes like that with the lift?
Yes, I got lucky in that too.
That's cool. Oh, do some of them not come with it installed?
No. This is aftermarket suspension, and it has the right here. So it's a hydraulic. Oh, okay. Work. So this one controls everything in the front. That is really cool. Pretty much a stock. I mean, it has those red buttons and 1 and 2. And the bucket seats. It's not carbon fiber bucket seats, I wish. And the shifter. I don't remember the brand, but it's super sharp. It's really precise. That's on cool. That one. I mean, especially for being a manual, you have to be very
Right.
precise and when you switch the gears. But yeah, pretty much that's all it is in the car. It's not too crazy, enough power, and just to having fun.
All right, so he's gonna give us a little bit of revs to show us what it sounds like. Woo! That one, I did not expect that pop. That scared me. Damn, that sounds really good. I can't wait to hear it when we're driving. That's gonna be super sick. Woo! Now, do they make these in an automatic or are they all manual?
No, automatic. It has a DCT transmission, and this is, people say this is rare to have the manual. There are not too many, because mostly it's like DCTs. But yeah, I mean, they come in both.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Ooh, that sounds so good. The pops on BMWs are just next level.
Shout out to my boy Wally. He does really good.
Yeah, tuned by Wally. If you guys don't know who he is, he can tune like anything, right? Or is it just
anything?
Yeah.
It has right now. I think he's doing one McLaren. He's going for McLarens, Lambos, you name it, GTRs.
Yeah, tuned by Wally is a really good guy. He knows what he's doing. So if you guys ever need a tune on your car, hit up Tuned by Wally, and he'll set you straight, and you will not be disappointed. You're gonna get on a little bit. Woo! You spun all the way through third, didn't you?
Yeah.
That's crazy. That's how you know you got cold tires when you're spinning.
Yeah.
Have you ever had any like super close calls, or are you pretty good at controlling the car?
I'm not going too crazy.
That's good.
Like, I know my limits.
Yeah.
So.
That's the important thing. Like, I feel like a lot of, especially younger kids nowadays, like the 16, 17-year-old high school kids, they don't know their limits, and they're like, oh, I got a fast car, and then it ends up biting them in the ass because they end up totaling their car, you know?
Yeah, like you said, I mean, if you don't know, like, your tires, they're not warm up enough, it's easy to control. I mean, it's that control, so you don't want that, especially on this kind of roads, you know?
That feeling of just getting thrown back in your seat is just so crazy. Like, every car is different and it throws you back in a different way, but it's just such a cool feeling. Those pops are so cool. Yeah, what I was just showing you guys is he actually has a screen display that shows him how much horsepower he's pushing and the torque that he's pushing as well. So that's a really cool feature. Did that come with the car, or did you have to upgrade that?
No, it comes with the car.
That's really cool. So Ivan was just saying that we were going to go onto the freeway and do some pulls, but there was a lot of cops on there, so it's probably safest not to do some stupid stuff to get pulled over, huh?
Yeah. Especially these sunny days, they know.
Oh yeah.
Go out and do some pulls. So.
Yeah,
We're just not gonna give any reason.
Yeah, exactly. I was just gonna say, the last couple of days and nights, I've been seeing cops everywhere. They're like, they're hunting. Explain to the audience what you're doing right now.
I'm just gonna switch map. Basically, you connect the MHD to the OBD, and there's a Bluetooth, so it goes to your app. You always connect it. And we can go to the different maps, and then go to here.
So what he was doing, forgot to zoom out. What he was doing is he was changing maps. So now you might be able to hear a difference, and I might feel a difference. So we're gonna go do another pull and another drive. So what he just did is he put a different, basically OBD2 reader into the OBD2 port, and it changes his map. And now he went onto an app on his phone, and he can see everything live, like the horsepower, torque, miles per gallon he's getting, and everything like that. So that's kind of cool. But what he was saying is basically the same map, but with no flames, and it's not the loud pops, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's more burbling than anything.
Yes.
And the car's quieter. So now we're neighborhood friendly.
Exactly.
So he was also saying you can hear the turbo more because now it's quiet, so you can hear it spooling a little bit more. Yeah, I hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's very, very subtle. Might have to boost up the audio so you can hear it. Does this exhaust have valves? Or does it? Oh, it does? Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. So
I
the
mean,
valves are still open, right?
It's still, I mean, right now they're all not completely open unless you press one of these M2-in-1 or a Sport or a Sport Plus. So also you can change the settings on the steering wheel on the Sport comfort. So a Sport Plus right now and it's inefficient.
Okay, gotcha.
And you feel like, I can press this one and you feel like a little push.
Oh yeah, I felt that.
Yeah, so now it's just open, completely open.
This guy was just making some pops. That sounded really nice. I was hoping to get it for you guys. Excuse me. So now it's just like little pop instead of big. Oh yeah, that's cool. Man, this car just sounds so amazing. Are you on like any special brakes, like carbon ceramic or anything?
There's a carbon ceramic, but there's an OEM.
Oh, okay. Oh, it comes OEM?
Yeah.
I didn't know. That's really cool.
Which it sucks. There's like so much dust.
Yeah.
Like, you clean the wheels, and then when you like go for a drive and came back and it's hella dirty.
Oh yeah, I know. The other thing that sucks about carbon ceramics is that they're really expensive to replace too.
Yeah.
Like I know for like Lambos and Ferraris, for one carbon ceramic disc is like 10K. It's like, oh, obviously it's not that much for a BMW. I mean, I don't know how you know how much they are.
I don't want to look into it.
I don't want to look.
They're gonna be expensive.
Yeah.
But I'm pretty sure that was like maybe 4,000 or more.
That's still quite a bit. Yeah. Any carbon ceramic brake for any car is going to be pretty expensive, but yeah, they do a good job at stopping the car though.
Yeah.
So, well, you guys, that completes the video. Ivan, thank you so much, bro, for taking me a ride and talking about your car. I'm sure the audience will love it. BMW's videos have been going crazy lately, so I thought I'd capitalize on that and do more BMW videos. So Ivan was one of the good guys who was able to take time out of his day and do a video with me. So again, Ivan, thank you so much, guys. Again, I'll pop Ivan's Instagram in the video. Go give him a check out. And until then, I will catch you guys in the next video. So peace.